So our other video decided to cut out. So we are doing our nature walk part 2. So we're going to go with Brandon and me. We're in the woods. And Daddy and Eve. We're going to check out all the nature. Look at that, Brandon. It almost looks like there was an animal living there. Yeah. It might have been a rabbit or a squirrel.
Are you okay, Evie? You want me to carry you?
Look at all the vines on that tree. Yeah. Look, more pine cones. Look, I found a pine cone. Cool. Be careful. These have prickers. These bushes. Oh, look, Brandon, another pine cone. So cool. Be careful. Is it stuck to you? Hold on. Yeah, we gotta be careful of the prickers, guys. What do you see, Bran? So it's always fun to go outside, get some fresh air, look at all the nature around you, check out the rocks, the trees, the animals, find pine cones. It's very good and natural. So we want to make sure that we're getting fresh air and getting out of the house, but also keeping that social distance. So I hope everyone's having a good time and enjoying all our videos. We will keep you updated. Have a good weekend. All right, bye-bye.